like these glittery glue sticks. You can find these at your local dollar store, any art store. I use them for creating no-sew pillows or any special designs that I'm gluing together, and I want to make sure I have a nice clean seam. I use them for matting artwork. So I always mat the artwork of the clients just to give it that finishing touch. And one of the things I always suggest is that instead of using tacky glue and kind of like squeezing it all over the back, you want to put glue at the four corners of your artwork and then mat it onto the black cardstock. So you can do that with tacky glue, or you can use it with the hot glue gun, which will happen a lot quicker and faster for you, okay? The other thing I use glue gun for is to create special little charms just like this using a mold. So there's a special product, it's called Mod Podge melting molds. And so with these melting molds, all you need are the special glue sticks that they have, your glue gun, and you'll also need some acrylic paint. And what you do is you squeeze the hot glue inside of the mold. Once it dries, you can pop it out and you get these really nice designs that you can use and create like a charm. So once they pop out, you can paint them and design them. I would suggest using metallic paint because it just gives that extra special touch and look to your charms. And you can also create special necklaces with it. So you can add a little chain link to it and it can be a pretty necklace, and add little rhinestones to it as well. So there's so many ways you can use hot glue gun and glue sticks. You use glue sticks to create tastefully designed no-sew projects, okay? So you can create those no-sew pillows, and all you do is add the glue around the edges, and you don't have to worry about sewing anything. Also, it's perfect for matting your artwork, so you have that nice, seamless, sleek look for your artwork, and it's not bubbly. You know, when you add all the glue on the back with the tacky glue or just Elmer's glue, it ends up bubbling up. So you want to make sure your picture looks really nice and sleek, and the best way to do that is add glue at the four corners. Also, using glue sticks is perfect for a fun, unique way of creating jewelry pieces that resonate with the heart of your clients. So try it. Glue sticks. You never know what the possibilities could be. So until I see you again, amazing one, continue to create, connect, and inspire others. And I'll see you for tip number 11. Bye.